up, guys? The turbo build has resumed. We are back in business. So we had some what are these, thrush washers? These are the old ones. No, these are the new ones that we had. The machine guy gave us the wrong size. We've been bumping into problems with this guy's work, like left and right. If you guys have seen the last video, the last problem was the clearances and the oil passages for the cam bearings. So we ended up fixing that issue, and next issue we fixed from the machine shop was the thrush washers. So, but now it spins pretty good, and we're measuring it up, making sure that we have the right shaft, well, not shaft plate, right? Or end plate for the crank. And then, yeah, then we're gonna put some what is it? Freaking rods in, and then some pistons in, and we'll start slapping together.
The bottom end.
The bottom end. Cool. All the clearances with the rod bearings, and everything is good. So far everything is turning out pretty well. Now we're gonna get the rest of the rings on the pistons, get the rings on, connect the rods to the actual crank, and from there might call it a day. We'll see what happens, but yeah. Alright guys, we're taking steps forward, no steps backwards today yet. All the rings are in, and now we're getting ready to drop the pistons into the block with the rods. Piston installation, check that out. Yeah. Got that syrup. That premium syrup. Put this on your bagels. Your waffles.
And just make sure we got this cap on there correctly. And that is number one. Alright.
Very nice.
So many steps forward today, guys. Yeah. We're ready for 900 horsepower now.
What is the plan?
900 or 1,000?
Whatever comes first.
Well, maybe I came on too strong.
Syrup. Knock the gloves back on. Dang, the whole hand? The whole hand, guys. That's some action right there.
You can get it in your hand. That's a little too loose. Alright, you ready, Jonathan?
Shout out to John for letting us use the piston installation tool.
1 second. Alright, just put that in here for a little bit. Alright, now we can tighten this up a little more, Jonathan. There you go, keep going a little more. There you go, perfect. Tighten it one more time.
One more clickaroo.
One more clickaroo, maybe. Alright.
Good.
Disappeared.
Perfect.
Vanished.
Yeah.
You can still see it, but yeah.
It's like dripping. Yeah, let's just make sure that when we leave here, we clean that up.
Oh, you know. What?
Let me put this end cap. Okay, I can't. Do you have a little light?
So, slow down.
Roll, doggy dog.
Doggy dog. Very nice. Some very sticky hands.
You see, if you wanna do turbo build, just gotta be like this JDM kid here. Look at this guy. He's so freaking happy. He doesn't know what to think. And, you know, it's just sad to say that soon, one day, she'll be built. And he'll be beating all you racers out there. The most satisfying thing in the world is putting your pistons in the block and hoping that when you start it, that you don't get rod knocked. So, if you want to build your car, build it. If you want to boost your car, boost it. If you don't want to build it, but you want to boost it anyway. Send it. Just throw a rod straight through the block. Just pray that it all holds together and that someday you'll have a real turbo build. As you can see here, premium lubrication is highly needed and recommended. You can use your whole hand inside your block. Just make sure it's really lubed before you install your pistons. Also, don't forget to have some high quality gloves, because as you can see, these ones here like to rip.
They're free 99 from the doctor's office.
They're free 99.
Yep, the stretch pretty good.
As he breaks it.
There you go. That's why they were free 99.
Isaac's the cameraman, guys. So shout out to Isaac, my cousin. So we're just torquing it down to about 800 foot-pounds of torque right now for all the power we're gonna hold.
Good luck with that.
we're torquing it down so tight so that way the motor spins slower because we don't want it spinning so fast.
Want to make sure we burn the bearings.
Yeah, make sure that they get welded in there really nice. All right, guys, oil pump in, bottom end is in, cam is in. Next step after this, which will probably be in the next video, is going to be putting the top end in, which will be the head and the push rod. Here it is. Shout out to Heads by Drew for hooking it up. Look at this. Fragile.
Fragile.
Dun, with the Cometic head gasket. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this.